I get motivated. Never trust the people who tell you other people's secrets. Success hugs you in private. Failure slaps you in public. That's life. If it keeps you happy, keep it quiet. Our thoughts make us what we are. To be interesting, be interested. Stay away from people that can't see any wrong in their actions but see every wrong in yours. Don't depend too much on anyone in this world, because even your own shadow leaves you when you are in darkness. Bad habits are like a comfortable bed, not easy to get into but hard to get out of. Two men looked out from prison bars. One saw the mud, another saw the stars. Be careful who you trust. Salt and sugar look the same. Talk to someone about themselves and they'll listen for hours. Inaction breeds doubt and fear. Action breeds confidence and courage. Every day is a new life to a wise man. If you don't say what you think, then you kill your unborn self. Knowledge isn't power until it is applied. Don't be afraid of enemies who attack you, afraid of the friends who flatter you. There is only one way to get the best of an argument, and that is to avoid it. Always stand up for what is right, even if it means standing alone. If you want to succeed, then focus on changing yourself, not others. Sometimes you will never know the value of something until it becomes a memory. Fear does not exist anywhere except in the mind. Respect is earned, honesty is appreciated, trust is gained, and loyalty is returned. Sometimes it's very hard to move on, but once you move on, you'll realize it was the best decision you've ever made. Become 1% better every day. If you can't sleep, then get up and do something instead of lying there and worrying. It's the worry that gets you, not the loss of sleep. Distance yourself from people who lie to you, disrespect you, and don't use you. Don't tell me what they said about me. Tell me why they were so comfortable to say around you. Stress, anxiety, and depression are caused when we are living to please others. The only way to influence people is to talk in terms of what the other person wants. Listening carefully to a person is the greatest compliment we can give him. Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. Your lack of dedication is an insult to those who believe in you. Happiness is enjoying the little things in life. Good things come in good times. Take life day by day and be grateful for the little things. Don't get stressed over what you can't control. You have to do what is right for yourself. Nobody else is walking in your shoes. Happiness is not about getting all you want. It is about enjoying all you have. I don't stop when I'm tired. I stop when I'm done. Never forget that friend who paid your bill when your pocket was empty. Never allow people to treat you poorly just because you love them. There will always be haters, and the more you grow, the more they hate. The more they hate, the more you grow. I don't care what people say about me. I know who I am, and I don't have to prove anything to anyone. One reason why birds and horses are not unhappy is because they are not trying to impress other birds and horses. If you want to change people, why not begin on yourself? That is a lot more profitable and a lot less dangerous. Criticisms are like bought homing pigeons. They always return home. Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept on trying when there seemed to be no hope at all. Success is getting what you want. Happiness is wanting what you get. The successful man will profit from his mistakes and try again in a different way.
Happiness doesn't depend on any external condition. It is governed by our mental attitude.
Man is not made to understand life, but to live it. Remember, today is the tomorrow you worried about yesterday. Believe that you will succeed, and you will. Stop worrying and start living. Believe that you will succeed, and you will. Stop worrying and start living. Do the hard jobs first. The easy jobs will take care of themselves. If you want to conquer fear, don't sit home and think about it. Go out and get busy. Actions speak louder than words, and a smile says, I like you. You make me happy. I am glad to see you. Experience is the best teacher, and the worst experiences teach the best lessons. The best revenge to people who hurts you is show them you are happy and grateful after they gone. You're not perfect just the way you are. You could be better. Time always exposes what you truly mean to someone. Learn to heal without venting to everyone. If you don't let go of the wrong people, you'll never meet the right people. If you don't control your mind, someone else will. There will always be someone who doesn't see your worth. Don't let it be you. If people treat you like an option, leave them like a blank choice.